If you want to scan documents on Redmi A7 Pro, what you can do is once you open the camera app, you want to go all the way to the documents mode. Now in here, you can just simply point at your document. You can try to hover over it. There we go. And then in here, we can just use the shutter button whenever you are ready. There we go. Over here, we have now the editor. So you can, of course, adjust and crop out the area that you don't need. So in case anything is wrong, you can just fix it over here. And then you can use this check in the bottom right corner. And there we go. We should have our document scanned. Besides that, you can check out the black and white filter or enhanced filter in case you need to, for example, make it look slightly better. I recommend you using the enhanced one. Let me just try to capture the page again. There we go. And I'm just gonna slightly adjust it, just a tiny bit. Then we're gonna use this check. And we should be able to have it slightly enhanced. So there we go. It is definitely more black and white, like the page is definitely whiter. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.